and welcome to 110 Consulting. Today, we will be introducing you to Salesforce Grants Management. In this video, you will learn about what is Grants Management, followed by a demo. Before we go any further, we want to start off by saying thank you. Thank you for taking time out to watch this video, and we will be sharing our contact information at the end of the video. So feel free to reach out to us in case you have any queries or feedback, or you want to implement grants management. Grants management is a product built for nonprofits on top of outbound funds module in Salesforce. With grants management, you can track, manage, and deliver funding programs to get critical investments out to communities. Grants management simplifies and accelerates the grant making process by connecting grants and programs, simplifying the application process, improving the grantee experience, and gaining a holistic view of due diligence. At 110 Consulting, we recommend the customers to implement outbound funds module as a part of phase 1 and then extend it to guest users or grantees, which becomes the grants management as part of phase 2. This helps building the blocks internally and then extending it to grantees or grantors. Kindly note, the grantee portal comes at an additional cost as you need to enable community licenses for your grantees. Let's jump into our Salesforce org. We will review the outbound funds module first. This is the view from a grant manager within the fictitious nonprofit called STEPS. On homepage, the grant manager can see grants performance dashboard, which provides a bird's eye view of everything happening in the organization. On the side, we can also see pending tasks and meetings for the day. STEPS can have many programs they offer funding for. For each program, the staff members can track all the requests made, the requirements for each request that we need to track, and if awarded, the payment schedule for disbursements. Let's drill down into one such funding program in detail, which is Relief and Reinvestment Grant. I can see all the details of the program with a detailed description and what is the total program amount and everything. I can check out the funding requests that I've received, of which we'll look into Homebaker Outstanding Fund raised by Simone Johnson in detail. We can check out all the details of this particular funding request, including the purpose, the applicant, the award information, and the disbursement information. As you can see here, the awarded amount is 8,000, which was decided based on the reviews that were asked to our financial team. Based on this review, the bills match up to 8,000. For any clarifications needed from the grantee, I can add them as requirements, which they will be able to view and provide via the grantee portal, which we'll talk about in a couple of minutes. I can also check out the disbursement schedules for the funding request along with the latest status. Everything we have seen until now in the Salesforce org is for internal staff. Rather than having the internal staff enter all the funding requests manually, the portal allows the grant seekers to request the funding directly. Not only they can apply for funding, but once authenticated, they can start tracking all the requests, requirements they need to follow up on, and the disbursements. I can switch tabs to how to apply to view more information on how can I apply for a grant. On the Programs tab, I can view the funding programs that are available to me. I can view all my funding requests raised on any and every funding program under the My Applications tab. Any required information that has been requested by Janice, the grants admin, can be seen under the Requirements tab. All my disbursements and cases come under More. I can also update my organization information, which will raise a case. For more information and a webinar on grants management, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, 110 Consulting. Meanwhile, if you have any questions or you want to set some time with us, you can visit our website, connect over a call, or send out an email. And do follow us on our social media. Thank you.